a child? My friend, stand up. This is P. You're my G, bro. Guys. My friend came to visit me and he's sleeping. I want to prank him. Okay. Bro, get up, let's go, bro. Those ladies are waiting for us, bro. Those ladies, they are waiting for us, bro. This is already 4 o'clock, bro. So get up, bro. You have been sleeping for almost 3 hours now.
You sure?
Yeah, bro. Bro, get up, let's go, bro. They're waiting for us. Yeah, they gave us 3 hours to come.
Okay. We go. Just wait. I'm coming. Let me.
Bro, wait.
I'll meet you. Just.
Yeah, bro. Wait. Bro. Yeah, understand. Bro, wait.
What? I'll meet you outside. What?
Bro, did you pee on my couch?
What do you mean?
Bro, but this place is wet, bro.
Don't know.
It's wet.
Sure?
Bro, did you pee?
No.
Bro, wait. Remove this like this. Bro, you pee on my couch, bro.
Sure?
Are you a child? Bro, this is... Bro, on my couch. No, don't tell me to calm down, bro. Don't tell me to calm down.
Don't shout.
I'm supposed to shout, bro. This. You see this couch? I bought it very expensive, bro.
Yeah, I know.
How you come to visit me? Then you sleep on my couch and you pee. No, bro. Don't tell me to calm down, bro. See. This is pee everywhere. Stand up. My friend, stand up. This is pee. See? Bro, I bought this thing very expensive, bro.
I don't know what happened, bro. Maybe because of the juice, I'm sure.
Which juice? Bro, it was just a prank. You know, you are my G, bro. You are my G. It was just a prank.
What do you mean it's just a prank? So you pranked me by throwing water on my face?
No, it was just a prank, bro. It was just
what do you mean? I told you I just drank it.
Come out. It was just a prank, bro. Come out. It was just a prank, bro. You my G. You my G, bro.
You are there. So you were the one.